Welcome back to today's video, you guys. Today we're going to be doing our Birchbox unboxing for the month of March. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you guys aren't new to my channel, then you guys probably know this is actually the first time I'm doing a Birchbox unboxing here on my channel. This is a first for me. I have not done one of these here on my channel, so we're going to do this all together. But before we get jumping into this video, make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. That way you guys can be a part of my family, and that way if we do any more unboxings, you guys can be notified when you guys come to my channel. I do unboxings, I do reviews, hauls, and makeup tutorials, which are my favorites. So let's get diving into this box. Here is what the box looks like. So just a little FYI, we're going to do a little backtrack really quick. It shouldn't take very long. But basically, I had this box when they first started. When Birchbox and Ipsy first started, I had this box, and I only had it for a few months, and I just didn't like it at first. I just felt like it was one of those bags where I just wasn't very excited about. So I ended up canceling it, and then I ended up going to Ipsy. And like I said, that was a while ago. So I've had Ipsy for a very long time, very hit and miss. I get those bags on with my own money, and if you guys watch any of my unboxings, you guys know sometimes they're good, sometimes they're really crappy. This box, I don't know what it's like. I just remember my last experience with this box was not very pleasant. So I just had something in the back of my head, and it was just like, you know what, let's just try it again. Let's just see if it works out. This does retail for the same price point that Ipsy does, and I don't know exactly where it does and doesn't ship. So all of that good stuff, again, you guys, I'm going to have it linked down below. That way I don't give you guys wrong information. So if you guys want to check it out after we do this unboxing, just go ahead and look in the description box below. And if you guys want to see any of my other unboxings, I do BoxyCharm, I do Ipsy, and Morphe Me, which will be next, which I have right here too. So here's the box. Pop this thing out. Okay. So the very first product we have in here is a sample size of the Instamatte by Smashbox, and this is a lipstick transformer. Now, I do have this already. I actually just reorganized my entire lipstick collection, and I found this again, and you can put this on top of any lipstick that you have that isn't matte, and it'll instantly transform it into a matte formula, which I think is pretty cool. You know, I already have it, but it's nice to have a backup because I do use the other one. The next thing I have in here is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. I have heard of the brand Amika before, and I think it was a pretty good brand. I just can't remember off the top of my head what I tried from them. We'll definitely try this out because I actually do need some spray for my hair anyway. So the next thing I have in here is by Embryolisse, I think is how you say it, and this is their multifunction nourishing moisturizer. Whoa, that is the tiniest sample size. Isn't that a little? That's a little baby. Okay, that's like 2 uses for me. It smells good. It smells really good. Ooh, what is this? This here is the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. I'm definitely interested in this. This is not a mask. Spread gel thinly and quickly over your forehead, cheeks, skin, neck, and décolleté, and massage these areas in circular motion. After 15 to 20 seconds, solids should form under the fingertip. Oh, I've heard of this kind of a thing before. Okay. At first I thought this was hair color. I don't know why. I thought this was some sort of hair color. Okay. So the last thing we have here, which is a full-size product, is the Model Co. Luxe Cream Longwear Lipstick in the shade Sienna. That is definitely a color that I would wear, so I really appreciate them putting in a wearable color. Although I feel like on the cap, it looked a little more red tone. Do you guys see that? So I was a little nervous it was going to be a red, but not that I'm not wearing red today, but I really like this actually. So this here is everything that I got inside my Birchbox. Definitely a lot of it is sample size, but just like my Ipsy bag, they're exactly the same. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it this month. I think it's an okay box. Not definitely like, it didn't wow me. Like, I guess maybe I had a little bit higher expectations. You know, we'll try again next month. We'll see how it works. I mean, you know, there's a good mixture of skincare, and they did not give me nail polish, so that is kind of nice. I want to know your thoughts down below on this, and what are your thoughts on it? Do you like the Birchbox versus Ipsy? Let me know. So anyways, make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.